We recently had our basement home theater remodeled. We're loving this space for watching movies and hanging out, but would like to have some extra seating behind the chairs and in general just complete the area between the bar and the theater. Today I'm going to build a low-cost bar height console table to complete this space. Let's get started. There will be a full cut list and overview of how to build the table on the Twintown DIY website. I'll have a link below in the description. The total height for my table was 43 inches. That includes the leg length and table thickness. The width of the table was 112 inches. So there is room for 4 bar stools at the table at that width. The basic steps of the project are to cut the material, assemble, sand, and finally apply finish. I'm using basic 2x material to keep costs down. For the material, I cut small pieces off the ends to get a clean end with minimal or no cracks. Then I cut them to length. I used a miter saw, but a circular saw would be another option. I used a combination of glue, dowels, and screws to assemble the table. The dowels are on the legs and cross braces with plenty of glue. On the top, I used glue and pocket holes evenly spaced. I also used pocket screws to attach the upper and lower cross braces to the legs and for the top. Let's do a quick test. Just right. Now let's rip some 2x4 to add side and back rails on the top and for decorative styles on the legs. The top rails were glued and clamped. I also added some screws from underneath after pre-drilling. The stiles on the legs could have, or actually should have been put on when I assembled the legs. But since I missed that opportunity, I'm drilling a blind hole where I'll set some screws to attach into the end along with some glue. I used scrap wood to space them out evenly. After that, I moved on to sanding. There was plenty of sanding to be done, and I walked through 3 different grits to get a smooth finish. In general, I was using 100, then 180, and 220. I tried a number of different stains on scrap wood and compared to the existing cabinets. I wanted to get as close as possible without needing to mix various stains together. I found Minwax red mahogany would be close enough. I used a stain conditioner first to get even penetration from the stain, then used a shop rag to actually apply the stain. After the stain was applied, I used my Wagner Power Max sprayer to apply a water-based polyurethane. I test sprayed on scrap material to determine the settings for air and material flow. This is only the second project I've used it for, so I'm still learning some techniques, but overall it's very fast and applied a nice smooth finish. The table really helps complete the room and provides more seating at a bar height with good view of the screen and easy access to the bar area. It was a low-cost build with 2x6 material and could use a variety of simple ways to join the components together. I'll have a link below to the web page with more information on the build so you can make your own or something similar. Also, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below and consider subscribing to the channel to see future content. Thanks for watching.